So it says Lydia uses $45 of her 60 babysitting money for a new outfit. So they're asking for what percent of Lydia's babysitting money did she spend on a new outfit? Okay, so we're talking about percents here. And they're talking about parts and wholes. Okay, so then that means I need to set up my parts and my wholes up here. So I have my part, P-A-R-T, and my total. And because they're talking about percents, to me, I need to set up my proportion. So I know percents are always out of 100, so I have 100%. Okay, and then now I need to fill out my part and my whole section. Okay, so I know that part of my money is 45, right? That's part of her babysitting money. It's not all of it. So I'm going to put $45. And then the total is 60 because that's how much she's spending in total. So what we need to figure out is this percent right here. So in order to make things easier for myself, I want to simplify, okay? So I'm going to take this fraction right here, 45 over 60, and let me rewrite it over here. So 45 over my 60. I need to check what number they both end in. And they both end with the number 5. So that means they're both divisible by 5. Remember, because these are my divisibility rules. So then 45 divided by 5, that gives me 9. 60 divided by 5 should give me 12. Okay, so now I'm working with the fraction 9 over 12. Okay, and then I need to figure out, is there a number that is divisible by both 9 and 12 to see if I can still break that down. Okay, and my answer is yes, it's going to be 3, right? So I divide by 3, divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. Okay, so now I'm working with the fraction 3/4. Okay, so now if I go back and I rewrite this proportion, okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to write 3/4 is equal to blank over 100. Okay, because I do not know my percent. Okay, so what I need to do is one or two things. Okay, so I'm going to do my butterfly. So I'm going to multiply these two. So 3 times 100 gives me 300. And remember, whatever is outside my bubble, I need to divide by 4. So the reason why I circled these two is because these are the only two that they are across from each other that are completed. This one's not completed, so I can't circle those to multiply. So then 4 can go into 30, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 7 times 4 is 28. I subtract, I should get 2 left over, because remember here I need to borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2, and I bring down my 0. So 4 can go into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. I subtract, and I get 0. So then this right here is going to give me my percent, and that's 75%. Okay. Another way you guys could have thought about it if I had my 3/4, so I'm going to show you guys the other way. You guys could have looked for a pattern, okay? So that means 4 times what should give me 100. So 4 quarters give me $1. 1 quarter is 25 cents, so times 25. So then that means if I multiply up there by 25, I have to multiply by this 25, that 3. 3 quarters give me 75 cents, so this is 75%. So these are the two ways you could think about solving this problem, okay?